We are headed out on the Islander this weekend, hoping to find some big bluefin.
So our trip left on a Sunday around 10 a.m., but it's really great to get there early to get good bunk spot, just get settled in, not be rushed, and enjoy kind of the whole scene of the morning. So as we got set up and got on the boat, the chef was already starting to make some lunch as we headed out. It's a great time to kind of get to know the boat, get your stuff in a good spot because you'll be in and out of the cabins all night fishing. And the most important part is the time to listen to the captain and the crew as far as their, specific recommendations on what's biting technique, because they're the ones that have been out there. This trip was early on in the season, a lot of night fishing, a lot of jig fishing, so listening to the captains exactly what color jigs are working, what size, what weight, and just their little techniques and tips as far as exactly how to get bit, because they've been doing it. Had some super yummy lunch on the way out, and then really tried to take a nap so that we could stay up all night and fish. And that, works out with the timing because you pretty much sleep until you hit the tuna grounds. Then it's time to fish, which this jig fishing at night was super fun. A lot of the captain motoring around looking for schools of fish. When you do get over a school, you got to get up quick. First person to get bit, Bloody Decks, right about 8 o'clock, and not until 5:30 a.m. Riley got bit on this 130 pounder. You could see lots of people were totally following their lines, and we ended up in a bit of a rat's nest, but the crew was awesome. They got the fish to the boat. And this was fun because it really wasn't wide open by any means. We were up every couple hours throughout the night when we'd stop on a school, and only 1 or 2 people would get bit. Finally, at around 4:30 in the morning, our friend got bit, and at 5:30 I got bit on the 65 pounder, which was super fun, feeling that jig get hit and that line go slack. Because it was early season, it was super fun to get some good grade fish, but almost more fun that it wasn't wide open, that we're each able to get a 130 pound and then a 65 pounder. It was just a super fun new style of fishing nighttime because the day was slow, did a little bit of rock fishing and then head home. But coming home with 200 pounds of bluefin was pretty great for 2 people, and we were continuing to eat some of that bluefin throughout the entire winter. Got some ice back at the landing, and then we barely fit our 2 bigger bluefin in the 2 coolers that we brought. We like to do the processing ourselves, although it takes a while. It's super fun and rewarding for us. So we took it home and did just that. This gives us the ability to use all parts of the fish, including scraping the rib meat with spoons and really just getting the most out of it. The collars, we like all of it. So we ate some of it fresh. As you can see, it looks so good as a poke bowl. Then vacuum sealed the rest for the winter and left with some good stories and 200 pounds of bluefin.